Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool Law of Thirds. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a design tool. It got the following characteristics. It consists on drawing two vertical lines of two horizontal ones, always parallel, along the image length. The purpose of this is that there is the same distance between all the lines to divide the images into 9 exactly equal parts. At the intersection of these lines, the attention points are generated and is where they should recharge the visual weight of the composition. This resort is quite simple, but is allowed to distribute logical and with a base of composition that is balanced with the proportion. It is very useful for diagramming infographics, flyers, and any kind of 2D dimensional developments. So the law of thirds, it's very simple, but is a very important tool because it will allow you to design with proportion and knowing how are you distributing all the different components. Before we start explaining this subject, if you like our project, if you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, give us a like, share our content, it helps us a lot. So the first thing that you need to know when you start using the law of thirds is that you need to know what kind of development are you going to do. So the format is extremely important. If it's for a phone, if it's for the screen of a computer, it's really important to know which kind of development are you going to make. So when you do that, so you start designing all the different components. So you need to draw a reticle, and it's very simple because the thing here is that there are some areas on the screen that got more attention. The first part over here, it got the 41% of attention of any kind of person because all people around the world read from left to right, from up to bottom. So here you have the visual weight, and it's more important if it is horizontal. But you can also change the format if you going to work vertical, so you know where are the different points and where are the people be looking when they are going to be working with different kind of components. So it's very important that you can customize any kind of format and know what you are doing. I'm gonna give you an example. Here is a layout of an infographic, and one of the most important things here is that here you have the visual weight, and I made the focal point over here. The hierarchy is stronger because I know that most of the people will be watching this side of the composition most. So I put it bigger and I make the distribution. And over here I start connecting all the different points, and the area is smaller. I can also use golden ratio here, so it will help us a lot with all the different components. But as you can see, develop the reticle is very easy, but it will help you a lot to know how to distribute. So here you can see, okay, there's too many elements over here. I want to change it here. I want to balance. I want to use all the different components that help us with the different kind of composition. As a conclusion, we can say that the law of thirds allows diagram logical and with common sense, because sometimes people think that design is intuitive and it's not. You need to have a logical way, and this is one of the most important ones. It can adapt by any kind of format, so you can use this tool for any kind of development. Is complementary to content ratio of any other type of grid. When design with the love of thirds, any other type of format is no why does it, and that is nothing is intuitive, so that is extremely important. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.